In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install any HP printer driver in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up any of your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any of the available browser in your PC. That's good, okay? And the search bar, please type for HP printer driver space download. Once done, you need to click on the enter key, and in that way you'll be able to be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the official result or official website I mean, which is under support.hp.com. Click on this link. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open up this kind of window where here you can see a search bar being placed here at the side. So here you need to type the product number of the HP printer driver that you would like to install with. So in my case, I want to install HP LaserJet P1007. So all you need to do is you need to type the serial number, the product number of the product name that you would like to install in your PC. And once done, you need to click on the enter key, and in that way you'll be able to be navigated to a new window, okay, where it contains the result of the printer driver that you have just searched. Okay, so it is if it's not detecting our operating system, which is Windows 11, just click on a choose a different OS or operating system, and then you need to click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on this update button so that you can able to set it. Once done, you need to scroll down here, and there you can see driver product installation software. Click on it, and eventually you'll be able to see basic drivers. So from that, you need to navigate to this download button aligning to it. Please click on that one. And the moment you click on it, okay, eventually you can now start the downloading process. So once done here, please navigate to this one, and there you can see a folder icon. Click on it to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay, so from that, you need to make a right click while selecting it, and then you need to click on this cut icon. Once you have copied it, please close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Once you have successfully moved the file here, okay, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click here, and by that you need to use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So if you have a WinRAR tool, you can use that to extract it. So kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop, and once it's here, that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So before we proceed to the installation, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more upcoming tutorials like this. We would be able to appreciate that. Okay? So by that, once you have extracted this one, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So here at the settings, you need to proceed here at the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Please click on it. And the moment you click on it, you need to navigate here at the printers and scanners. Afterwards, you'd be able to see this kind of window where you can see an option here at the side called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and then it will open up a new window like this. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So this part is very crucial. Okay, so let's be cautious on selecting our printer port. Again, please choose a printer port among of these three, no other than that. But if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. So once you have selected the correct 60, printer port, you need to click on Next to proceed, go with Have Disk, and click on Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate here, scroll down, and find for your extracted file. Double tap here, and there eventually you can see a driver. Click on Open, and then click on the OK button here, and it will be placed here. Please choose the printer driver that you would like to install. Click on Next, and you click on Next, and click on Next, and it will now start the installation. Please wait until the process would be finished. Once done, you need to click on Next, click on Finished, And there you have it. You have just successfully download and install any HP printer driver here in your Windows 11. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.